yung increase ng penalty sa numbers games, no? Revision of Presidential Decree number 1602 na dito sa Republic Act 9287, itinaas na po ang penalty doon sa mga nagbebet in accordance to letter A of Section 5. Nakalagay, from 30 days to 90 days, pwede yung mga tumataya, ikulong, no? Pag napatunayan na nagtataya kayo, at hindi lamang yon, even your car, even your houses, your land, your building being used for illegal gambling can be confiscated by the state. Hindi lamang din yun. In accordance with that Section 5 of Article 3, sinasabi rin din dito, yung mga supervisor ng mga illegal numbers games, ha? 8 years to 10 years, you can be imprisoned. Poor man's game na numbers games, ito naman po ay mga sugal na hinayaan natin, slowly being tightened by the government in order not to hook up our citizenry, because parang parang droga rin to tung illegal gambling But the problem is, Mr. Chairman, sa illegal gambling nagkaroon tayo ng policy, nagkaroon tayo ng mga programa, even the DILG, the DOJ, and any other government agencies ay binigyan po natin sila ng tinatawag na reward and incentives doon sa mga LGU na nakakapag-comply doon sa kanilang programa against anti-drug campaign. But in the anti-illegal gambling, wala po tayong mga programa na ini-initiate ng ating mga department agencies like DILG, DOJ, or even Applecom. So we need to find out what are those programs that will really deprive those illegal operators to conduct their illegal gambling. So, hindi ko na po masyado kaaba, Mr. Chairman, since that this issue is imperative for all of us to discuss, because as I've said a while ago, ito po ay nakatutok, no, doon sa moralidad ng ating mga kababayan. Per se, hindi po natin makikita sa Bible na masama yung hindi po ako religious, pero bibigyan ko lang po ng konting konsepto. Not in the Bible that it was said that gambling is illegal. But basically, when you try to see doon sa, I think sa Timothy, na sinasabi doon that the root of all evil is the greed on money, no? And at the same time, di ba, kung ang ating pong kinukuha ng mga mamamayan, di ba, mga widow, orphan, fatherless, poorest of the poor, na kinukuha na natin ng pera, at ito'y napapakinabangan ng iba, di ba? I think we are doing disservice to these people. When even the Messiah, no, alam niya na pinoproteksyon na natin, we need to protect them and feed them. And thereby, we are violating also the provision of our Holy Bible. So, yun lamang po, Mr. Chairman, and siguro po, mamaya, tatanungin na lang po natin yung ating mga resource speakers to submit, or not to submit, but to discard their position paper. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know if the police force of Region 4A has a briefing insofar as this issue is concerned?
We have prepared the accomplishment report of PRO 4A, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, may I request COMSEC to acknowledge the members of the committee who are present in this morning's hearing. COMSEC.
Thank you, Your Honor. The following members are present today: Honorable Romeo M. Acop, Honorable Dan Fernandez, Honorable Richard Gomez, Honorable Wilter Palma, Honorable Wilter Palma, Honorable Bonifacio Bosita, Honorable Erwin Lara, and Honorable Erwin Tulfo, sir. Sorry. And Honorable Edvic Yap. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Edvic Yap. And also Honorable Roy Loyola. And Honorable Antonio Ferrer. That's all, Your Honor, for now. Thank you.
How about COMSEC, the resource persons present?
Thank you again, Your Honor. From the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Assistant Secretary for Peace and Order, ASEC Wabili P. Racho. From the National Police Commission, Attorney Alberto A. Bernardo, Vice Chair and Executive Officer. Accompanied by Director Maximo Lasaka, Regional Director for NCR, and Director ONG De Luna, Acting Regional Director for 4A. From the Department of Justice, Attorney Raymond Alvin Mendoza. From the National Bureau of Investigation, Director Eric Mercado. From the Games and Amusement Board, Attorney Regino Milyari Jr. From the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, General Raul Villanueva, Officer in Charge. With Attorney Janine Marian Javier, Legal Counsel. From the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, Attorney Richard Martin De Leon and Mr. John Marcelo Reyes. From the DICT, Director Maria Cristina Abalos Naig. And, one moment, sir. Attorney John Mark Santiago of the NBI. Yes, sir. We also have from the Philippine National Police, Police Major General Ronald Lee, Police Brigade Major General Cleo Francisco, Police Major General Belita Mayo, Police Brigadier General Sidney Hernia, Police Brigadier General Paul Kenneth Lucas, and Police Brigadier General Romeo Karamat.
Present.
That's all, Your Honor, for now. Thank you.
Thank you, Comsec. The RD of Region 4A, General Lucas, you may present your briefing.
Mr. Chair, meron ba tayo slides na i-present?
Sir, opo sir.
Okay. And we also have a hard copy on that.
Yes sir.
Okay, can you kindly submit to us, Mr. Chair, para at least the members will have the copy of the presentation?
Yes sir.
Sige, please. Opo.
To the Chairperson for Public Order and Safety, the Honorable Representative Dan S. Hernandez and other members of the House Representatives who are here today for this inquiry, other source speakers, good morning, and thank you for allowing the Police Regional Office Calabarzon to participate in this congressional hearing. Today, we will present to this honorable committee the accomplishment of Police Regional Office 4A in our relentless campaign against illegal gambling.
Question. Technical group, what is happening with the presentation, please? Are we going to wait forever? 5 minutes or 2 minutes? 1 minute. Will the Directorate for Operation will also have a presentation on the national scope? Because we believe that we need to find out as well yung ating pong mga illegal gambling all over the country para makumpara po natin sa Region 4A. DIDM also. After this, we'll be asking, Sige, okay na. Okay, so sir, please proceed.
Please show the first slide, please. So this is our accomplishment from January 1, 2023 to February 29, 2024. We have 5,317 operation in which we confiscated a total amount of 4,222,483 pesos. Sa illegal number games po ito, sir. And doon naman po sa other forms of illegal gambling, kagaya ng tungit, mga tupada, we conducted 2,666 operation, which resulted to the confiscation of more than 2 million and the filing of 2,610 cases, sir. Next slide, please. Ito naman po sir yung accomplishment namin for 1 year from January 1 to December 31 sir. We conducted a total of 4,266 operation which resulted to the confiscation of 3,687,702 and the filing of 4,243 cases. Sa other forms of illegal gambling, we conducted a total of 2,472 which resulted to the arrest of 7,180 and the confiscation of 2,671,837 pesos. And the filing of 2,416 cases. Next slide please. Ito naman po yung accomplishment ng PRO 4A from January 1 to February 29, Your Honor. PRO 4A conducted 1,051 operation which resulted in the arrest of 2,740 and the confiscation of 534,781 pesos. In the other forms of illegal gambling, we conducted a total of 194 operation which resulted in the arrest of 692 personnel and the confiscation of 158,794 and the filing of cases of 194. That ends my presentation, Your Honor. Good morning.
Okay, the chair recognizes, they acknowledge also the presence of, ikaw dapat pare. Nadadala ako ng damdamin ko, pare.
The chair also recognizes the presence of the Honorable Celso Regencia from the Lone District, Iligan City. Welcome po kayo.
Okay, sige. So we'll be and also he was here a while ago, so this only is just a continuation of our suspended hearing a while ago. So we'll be asking also the national directorate for operation or the IDM. Can you kindly give us also a presentation para magkaroon po kami ng comparison yung buong region 4 kukumpara natin sa ibang region, please? Regional Director Lucas, can you kindly submit to us yung pinaset niyo po kanina? Marami po bang kopya kayong pinagawa? Pinaano natin yung region? Hindi, pinakuha natin. Hindi, pinakuha na natin yung Who will be presenting on behalf of the national PNP?
Your Honor, I am Police Major General Leo Francisco, the Director of the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management. I can give you the number, but I failed to present it. But we are ready to give you the number nationwide, sir.
Okay, General Leo Francisco, sige, go ahead, please. But you have no copy on your possession right now.
I have, sir, and I can provide the committee
validate,
after this, sir. I have, sir, and I can provide the committee.
Sige,
Yes, sir.
after your brief manifestation of those documents, kindly submit it to us para we can reproduce this for the perusal of our members of this committee. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. For the period January 1, 2024 to February 29, 2024, for 2 months, we have a nationwide total number of operations of about 5,686. Of these, 5,639 were filed in the prosecutor's office. Out of these 5,639, 3,186 were filed in court. And the status of the cases in court are undergoing ongoing trial. And
General, if I may, I'm sorry, I just wanted to intervene, no? Kasi ang nadinig ko 5,686 illegal gambling yan.
illegal gambling,
But
Mr.
kasi
Chair.
kanina when we were looking at the presentation of Regional Director Lucas, it was already the highest was 2,167. And we are talking about national scope,
Yes, sir. These records are based on our SIRAS.
ha?
These records are based on the SIRAS, sir. It is being
Buong Pilipinas po yan?
encoded by our investigators nationwide.
Those are cases that was
Encoded in our SIRAS. So the period covered is for 2 months of
and
2024.
the one that you presented, General Lucas, yung pinresent po ninyo, naka-base to sa ilang buwan lang ba to or
Dalawa po yun, Your Honor. Yung first slide covers the period January 1, 2023 to February 29, 2024, Your Honor.
Ano, again?
The first slide covers the period from January 1st, 2023 to February 29, 2024, Your Honor.
Okay, so yun din ang binabanggit ni General Leo? Same time period?
Sir, Your Honor, for the record, the total number of incident operation in 4A for that January 1 to February 29, 2024 is 1,255.
Okay, so 1,255 from January to February
Yes, Your Honor.
sa Region 4A.
4A.
So pagdating sa
National, sir, is
National.
5,686.
so 1,227 sa Region 4A pa lang.
1,255, sir.
Oh,
And the
okay.
NCRPO, 1,584.
Hindi nga, kaya nga, can you kindly categorize na lang ma'am ngayon, yung Region 1, Region 2, Region
Yes,
3,
sir.
Region 4?
Region 1, sir,
Ayan, sige,
102.
please.
Region 2, 76. Region 3, 286. Region 4A, 1,255. Region 4B, 34. Region 5, 122. Region 6, 213. Region 7, 1,127. Region 8, 88. Region 9, 77. Region 10, 122. Region 11, 243. Region 12, 66. Region 13, 102. Bar, 16. Cordillera, 20. NCRPO, 1,584. And CIDG, 153, sir.
Region yan, ha? General.
Yes, Your Honor.
We're talking about region, ha? We're not talking about my province, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Indeed, there is a problem. Okay, we'll be asking naman from the PNP, from the region, sino pa bang who wanted to speak? Anong agency pa? DILG, andito ba DILG? DILG? So,
Where are you, sir?
okay. Do you have a some sort of data in accordance with the illegal gambling operation that deals with our different members ng ating pong mayors, governors, lahat yung ini-implement po natin with regards to the mga resolution or circulars that we have directed to our LGUs?
Mr. Chair, as we speak, wala pa po. But what we plan is that we will tally our figures from the local government and these PNP
Bakit tayo
numbers.
walang ganun? Dapat meron tayo.
What we have now, Mr. Chair, is the numbers from the PNP.
So yung binibigay sa inyo ng PNP, yun ang hawak ninyo?
Opo, opo.
Okay, alright, sige.
Thank you, sir.
So, the Chair would like to acknowledge also the presence of Congressman Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. Any members who wanted to...
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Okay, Congressman Rafi Tulfo. Rafi Tulfo.
Maraming salamat, Governor. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, napansin ko lang ho, bakit, ito lang ho ba yung mga regional director natin sa buong PNP?
We have the resolution tackled the
Kasi if
Region
we're
4A.
talking of illegal gambling, Mr. Chair, I suggest that we call all of the regional directors. Kasi ang gambling po ay masyadong proliferated na sa buong bansa. Hindi lang po sa Region 3, hindi lang sa Region 4, may Region 1, may Calabarzon, lahat. May dyan sa Cordillera hanggang sa ARMM. It's so proliferated, Mr. Chairman. Kulang ho ito. Nandito ang NBI, nasaan bang si IDG dito? Nandito rin ba? Ang dami yung klaseng pasugalan, Mr. Chairman. Ang dami yung pasugalan, sus, Panginoon ko. Pagbabanggitin ho natin dito ay lahat ng kasugalan. Peryahan, bukis, STL, loting, waiting. Pati STL, ginagawang waiting. Online sabong. Kaya walang kinikita yung pagkor natin dahil kinukompetensya ng sugalan, Mr. Chair. Kahit anong gawin natin, yaw dito, kung hindi naman matigil ito, wala rin mangyayari. And this, bata pa ako, nag-iimbestiga ng Kongreso at Senado ng illegal gambling. Ala naman ho nangyayari. So, we must do something about it kasi meron na ho talaga napakalalahan na ho sugalan. Problema, hindi lang ho ito mga otoridad natin ang pasok dyan. Pati yung mga politiko, masakit man hong sabihin, pati mga politiko natin, mga mga local leaders natin, kasama din minsan dyan. So, how do we stop this, Mr. Chairman? So, I would like to ask your wisdom.
Thank you so much, Congressman Erwin Tulfo. As a matter of fact, I agree with you, na talaga
Mr. Chair, may I add, I would like to put in motion to invite all the regional directors of the PNP, including the CIDG, next hearing para we can hear from them and they can explain. Kasi dito sa Luzon, Ang sikat dito, Weteng,
Yeah.
Loteng.
I know.
Pagdating sa Mindanao, Visayas, Masyao.
Yes.
So, I don't know.
Yeah, we will do that, Congressman Erwin. What we have to discuss first is to tackle the resolution that pertains to the Region 4A. But in relation to what you're trying to implore on this committee, to invite all the different region as well, is in relation as well, because we have to compare what is happening in Region 4A and what is happening to the different part of this country. And for that, we will be allowing your motion that we need to invite as well the different regions. But in so far as the resolution that I filed is concerned. So, sa atin yung comparison, kung gaano kadami sa amin, gaano kadami yung sa iba-ibang region. So, magbe-base po tayo doon. And we will set some parameters in order to limit the questions on the resolution that I filed regarding the Region 4A. Because nababahala din po yung lingkod, because when I saw the data, no, that nakita natin that Region 4A, ngayon ko lang nalaman that out of the 5,000, 1,200 plus yung sa amin ni Congressman Acop. And I will be asking as well yung Region 4A natin, because kanina na sinabi ni Congressman Erwin Tulfo that for so many years we've been discussing this problem already, but nothing is happening. Dahil lagi na lamang hearing tayo ng hearing, pero wala tayong nagiging resolution. But I have to remind each and every member of this committee that this committee will produce result. As a matter of fact, I read the Republic Act 9287 with regards to the rules and guidelines. Specifically, Rule 3, Section 5. Andito yung mga yung increase ng penalty sa numbers games, no? Revision of Presidential Decree number 1602 na dito sa Republic Act 9287, itinaas na po ang penalty. Doon sa mga nagbe-bet in accordance to letter A of Section 5, nakalagay, from 30 days to 90 days, pwede yung mga tumataya, ikulong, no? Pag napatunayan na nagtataya kayo. At hindi lamang yon, even your car, even your houses, your land, your building being used for illegal gambling can be confiscated by the state. Hindi lamang din yun. In accordance with that Section 5 of Article 3, sinasabi rin din dito, yung mga supervisor ng mga illegal numbers games, 8 years to 10 years, you can be imprisoned. Yung mga manager, yung mga operator, 10 years to 12 years. Yung mga pinanser at kapitalista, 14 to 16 years. At yung mga protector, 16 years to 20 years. And if the offender is a public official, elected or appointed, perpetual disqualification from office. And we have to warn yung ating pong mga opisyales ng PNP, because they have the penalty of not only imprisonment but also criminal and administrative cases and suspension and dismissal from the office as well. So, mabigat tong batas na to, yung Republic Act 9287. Ang tanong sa PNP, Napolcom, siguro kasama na rin po kayo, meron na po ba tayong naparusahan dito sa batas na to na itinaas na po natin ang penalty noong mga perpetrators ng illegal gambling? Meron na po ba tayo na ipakulong? Sagot
Chair.
sa atin sa PNP.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, you have the floor.
there's a motion filed by the Honorable Erwin T. Tulfo to include or invite the different regional directors of the PNP. House Resolution number 1549 only limits the investigation of the proliferation of illegal gambling within Calabarzon. Now, COMSEC, do we have a quorum? If we have a quorum, Mr. Chair, I think we have to settle the motion of the Honorable Tulfo if we are going to include in our hearing, insofar as House Resolution number 1549 would include the different regions of this country. So, since we have a quorum, we decide, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so you will be acting upon on the resolution or the motion that was moved by Congressman Erwin Tulfo. There's a motion to include the different regional directors in the next hearing. And is there any second to the motion?
Second.
There's a second to the motion. Any objection? Hearing none. So the motion is now approved. So COMSEC, we will be inviting all the regional directors in the next hearing.